Now our top story tonight. There are just 2 days to go for a crucial meeting of the Indian Olympic Association to decide on just how India should convey its anger over Dow Chemical as a sponsor of the London Games next year. Tomorrow, a delegation of gas victims, former Olympians and activists will be meeting IOA President V.K. Malhotra to hand over a petition signed by nearly 1,000 people. They're demanding a boycott of the Games. They say India needs to take a tough stand. But other prominent sports persons have said a boycott will serve no purpose and politics should be kept out of sport.
For Bhopal gas victims and tragedy, the idea of Union Carbide owner Dow Chemicals association with 2012 Olympics is unpalatable. And that is why, for the first time in 27 years, the tragedy's anniversary was not marked by candlelight marches. Instead, there was sloganeering and the trains were stopped for hours on December 3. Protesters even clashed with the police.
I think the Indian government has to show some backbone, has to very unequivocally state that it would boycott an Olympics that is going to be sponsored by a criminal corporation that is liable for killing and poisoning citizens of its country.
With no clear commitments from the government, gas victims are now appealing to Olympians to boycott the 2012 Games.
हम लोगों के मन में भी इस बात के लिए क्रोध है कि डाउ केमिकल वहाँ खेलों में पैसा लगा रही है सिर्फ अपनी इमेज साफ करने के लिए और मेरा भारतीय खिलाड़ियों से भी ये अनुरोध है कि इसका बहिष्कार करें.
So far, they have support of 26 former Olympians who feel Dow's association with Olympics will malign the prestigious games.
ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी, लंदन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी और ओलंपिक की और IOC या जो भी कोई बीच में आते हैं और वो डाउ को अगर बैक करते हैं, अभी तो प्रोटेस्ट होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर वो नहीं मानते तो मैं समझता हूँ कि भारत को नहीं हिचकना चाहिए बाइकआउट से.
बात ये हो रही है कि खिलाड़ी अगर वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे इंडियन तो उससे कोई बहुत फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. बात ये हो रही है कि उनको समझना है कि ये स्पॉन्सरशिप जो है वो हमको नहीं लेना चाहिए ऐसी कंपनी से.
But boycotting the Olympics will not be easy for the government. Sports Minister Ajay Maken has said in the Rajya Sabha that nearly 111 crore rupees has been spent on training athletes for Olympics. Tomorrow, a delegation consisting of Bhopal gas victims, former Olympians and activists will be meeting Indian Olympic Association's President V.K. Malhotra in New Delhi just before the general body meeting on the issue and will also be handing over a petition signed by nearly 1,000 people demanding boycott of the London Olympics. Now all eyes are set on the outcome of this crucial general body meeting on the December 16th. In Bhopal with camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.